In this video, we will see how to update Anaconda on a Mac system. So when we talk about updating Anaconda, then we consider majorly three things. The first is Conda, which is the command line package and the environment manager. And the second thing is Anaconda Navigator, which is the GUI application and using which we can manage Python virtual environments and libraries. And the third thing is the packages itself, which are installed in different virtual environments. So now let's see these three things one by one, like how to update these. So first of all, we will open the terminal. So I'll press command and space and type terminal, and let's open this. And now let's maximize this as well. And here we will first update the Conda, the command line package manager. But before that, let's check what is the current version of that. So I'll type Conda space hyphen version. So here we have got the current version of Conda, which is this 24.11.2, and it might be different for your case. Now we will update Conda. So we will type Conda space update space Conda. So let's hit enter. So it will first check whether any newer version of Conda is available or not. So here it has found one newer version. So this was my current version 24.11.2 and this is the newer version. Now here we will type Y in order to proceed with this updation, and let's hit enter. So it is completed now. Let's now verify this. So we will again type Conda space hyphen version. So this time we have got this 24.11.3 and earlier it was 24.11.2. So it means the Conda is updated successfully. Now it's time to update the Anaconda Navigator. But before that, let me clear the terminal once so that it would be better visible to you. Now, like before, first we will check the version of the Navigator. So I'll type Anaconda Navigator, then space hyphen version and hit enter. So this is the current version of the Navigator, which is the 2.6.2. Now let's update this as well. So we will type Conda, then space update space then Anaconda Navigator and hit enter. So as earlier, it will check for any newer version. So here as well it has found one newer version, which is this 2.6.3. This is the current version and this will be the newer version. So let's type Y in order to proceed with this updation, and it is completed now. Now let's check again the version of this Anaconda Navigator. So I'll type Anaconda Navigator then space hyphen version. So we can see it has updated. So the newer version is 2.6.3 and earlier it was 2.6.2. So this is also updated. So till now we have updated Conda and Anaconda Navigator. Now we will update the packages which are installed in our virtual environment. So again I'll clear the terminal for better visibility. Now before starting the updation of the libraries, there is one little disclaimer that it is possible that you might not want to update all the libraries, but instead you just want to update some specific ones according to your use case. But in case you are sure that the latest versions of all the libraries would not create any compatibility issues into your projects, then you can go ahead and update all the libraries. So I'll tell both the ways here. And if you want to update any specific library, then you can do so like we were doing previously, and you just need to type Conda then space update then space and then the name of the library. So for example, Pillow is one library. So let's say if we want to update this Pillow library, then we just need to write this Conda update Pillow. So for any of the library, you just need to write Conda update and the name of the library. Now before executing this command, there is one more important thing, that here I am running this command in this base environment, if you can observe here, which is currently activated for me. But in case you are working in some other environment, then you will have to run this command, this Conda update and the name of the library, in that particular environment, not in this base environment. And for that you will have to just activate that environment and then run this command. Now coming back to this installation of this Pillow library, so let's hit enter now. So this is the same thing which we had seen earlier. Now we will press Y and hit enter again. So this is updated successfully, and this is how you can update any specific library. Now we will see how to update all the libraries to as current as possible. So I'll again clear the terminal once, and now we will type conda space update space hyphen hyphen all. And again, let me remind you to have the correct virtual environment activated here. Now let's hit enter. So first of all, it will list down all the libraries for which any newer version is available. So these are the libraries for which any newer version is available, and we can update all these libraries in one go. So again, I'll press Y here and hit enter. Now it is updating all the libraries, and it might take some time depending on the number of libraries. So finally this is finished now, and it took, I guess, more than 5 minutes for me. Now we will verify if all the libraries are updated or not. So for that we will again run that previous command, which was conda then space update space hyphen hyphen all. So let's see if it gives any library to update. So this time we did not get any library in the list, and it is saying all requested packages already installed, which means all the libraries are updated to the current latest versions. So now if you found this video useful, then do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. And for free tutorials on multiple technologies, you can also refer the video description.